I've got some exciting news to share with you today. We're going to talk about our Universal SIP Core. We've been hearing in the channel about what we're doing with this SIP Core. It's kind of revolutionary in how we can deliver complex environments, right? Voice environments. Now it starts out with what we call our SIP Core. You see here on the screen technologies from Ribbon, Equinix, and BroadWorks. This Ribbon in particular is kind of the new carrier grade SIP Core for people to deliver new solutions on. Now from there, we've got to get connected out to the PSTN, right? And so we've got to deliver, first of all, PSTN diversity, okay? Meaning that we are connected to a wide variety of PSTN, being able to deliver local and long distance calls all across North America. Now, of course, as well, we've got to deliver comprehensive E911. And you'll see down here, Red Sky and Trado, two of the leading kind of 911 delivery mechanisms, if you would, across North America. And from there then as well, what is unique in our network is our relationship with T38.com. You know, actually fax, believe it or not, is still important, particularly in environments like healthcare, let's say. And T38 gives us the ability to deliver a fax call, a T38 fax call, all the way down in those local calling areas. So this first part really is about how do we connect out to the PSTN, reliably delivering local calls, long distance 911, and fax deep into the network. Now the next part of this core, after we've connected to the PSTN and 911 and T38, is to be able to layer on additional services. And so that starts with things like connecting to AWS. AWS we use for a variety of kind of AI intelligent, voice recognition, custom IVR things that we'll build from our customers. And then, of course, kind of the anti-spam, the world of anti-spam, and how to take care of stir shaking and these kinds of things. And we use Ribbon there with their Identity Hub services. And then caller ID, which of course has to be with any kind of PSTN connectivity, we use Newstar for that. And now the fun stuff starts, delivering applications across this network. And we start with a couple of the biggest players on the UCaaS side, right? We're delivering Webex Calling and Microsoft Direct Route and Operator Connect, okay? So our ability to take these platforms and even mix and match those platforms. And not only delivering Webex Calling and Microsoft Teams, but then add on applications like SMS via Clerk Chat, call recording and call reporting via kind of Call Cabinet and Dubber. So our ability to expand those applications and even again deliver heterogeneous environments where we're delivering not only, Webex Calling for a user, but also Microsoft Teams, and you'll see even other parts of the network we can deliver at the same time. And from there, of course, we get to Contact Center as a Service and Communications Platform as a Service, CCaaS and CPaaS. And we're there delivering industry-leading Webex Contact Center and their Connect CPaaS platform, as well as connected into Five9. We've got a big multi-trunk connection into Five9, and we've been delivering Five9 for about 5 years. Now, from those two platforms, both Webex Contact Center and Five9, we've also developed and brought to market our own product called CBTS CX Sync. And what that is, if you kind of think about industry-leading platforms like Five9 or Webex Contact Center, kind of 85% of all the features you'd expect, but at a price point like 50 to 60%. And we find this fits, quite well in more like 5 to 20 person environments. Now, once we deliver natively these call control components on the UCaaS, CCaaS, and CPaaS side, then what about how do we connect to third-party providers? And you'll see here, we've got some robust connections into existing third-party providers. And these third-party providers are things like Genesys. We do a lot of business today, believe it or not, where a customer buys Genesys services directly from Genesys, but we're delivering the dial tone to Genesys, or we're delivering 911 to a Genesys customer. The same thing goes with Twilio, and we've got a unique relationship with a company called Pindrop as well that's doing some phenomenal things around AI-enhanced voice authorization and authentication, kind of cutting down fraud on big contact centers. And then to extend this kind of third-party connectivity story, it's really literally about bring your own carrier. Okay, I mean, if you've got an environment where you've got existing SIP trunks out to provider A, provider B, you want some existing services from us, maybe on the UCaaS or CCaaS side, we can bring all this together in one dial plan. And we're going to talk about some incredible things we could do on the SIP trunking side too, to kind of bring this all as one disaster recovery environment. And the last part of this story to round out the whole picture is our SIP trunking. This SIP trunking is a custom service from us that we can deliver a variety of ways. We can deliver across circuits. We can deliver with SD-WAN enhanced from our SD-WAN, or even using a customer's SD-WAN nodes, or deliver that over the top. Now the secret to this, if you see, is we've connected out to the PSTN and all the 911 features. We've added in custom call control and spam and caller ID. We put in this entire line of UCaaS, CCaaS, and CPaaS solutions. We've connected all of these third parties down here, Genesys, Twilio, etc. We can connect out to anybody's third party, any data center they want to, and then we bring this SIP trunking down to a customer. And this allows us to build one kind of, again, universal SIP toolkit, a ubiquitous dial plan for them, a comprehensive set of DR plans if needed. If they lose one part of a network out here, we can route those calls to another part of the network. And so our strength with this really is building complex solutions, multiple locations, multiple carriers, and really being able to take a customer on their long-term journey today.